If you're planning to install a CCTV system and want to choose the best recorder while staying within your budget, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because today I'll explain in simple, clear, and practical language whether DVR or XVR gives the best value for budget users. Here's the hook. Most people buy a DVR because it's cheaper, but after 1 to 2 years when it's time to upgrade, they end up replacing the entire wiring and recorder, whereas one small, smart decision could have made their system future-proof. Now the intro. The DVR is a traditional analog recorder that supports only analog formats like HDTV, ICVI, and CVBS cameras, while an XVR is a hybrid recorder that supports all these analog formats plus limited IP cameras, meaning you can add digital IP cameras in the future without changing your system. In the main details, a DVR setup is the most basic and budget-friendly, using coaxial cable, analog cameras, simple installation, and it works perfectly for small shops, small homes, go-downs, storerooms, or any place where basic surveillance is required. But the limitation is that DVR supports only analog, giving clarity of 1 MP to MP or 5 MP with limited smart features like basic motion detection. XVR solves these issues. It runs your old analog cameras on the same coaxial cable and also allows you to add IP cameras, which offer 2 MP, 4 MP, 8 MP, and even 4K clarity. So if your budget is tight today, you can start with analog cameras and later upgrade by adding just 1 to IP cameras to significantly improve clarity without replacing the recorder. Understanding quality differences is important. DVR processes analog signals, so clarity depends on cable quality and distance, while XVR with IP cameras offers enhanced digital clarity. XVR also has better night vision potential since IP cameras support features like color night vision, WDR, smart IR, and AI detection. In terms of price, DVR is the cheapest option. XVR costs a little more, but long-term, XVR saves money because future upgrades become easier and cheaper. So, if you want to keep your budget low today but plan to improve clarity later, XVR is the best choice. But if you only need basic watch-only surveillance and don't plan any upgrades, then DVR is perfectly fine. Final answer: DVR is the best for pure low-budget setups, but if you want a future-proof system where old cameras work and IP camera options stay open, then XVR is the best budget recorder. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, and comment whether you're buying a DVR or XVR. lines also recommend the best model for your needs.